So guys, celebration, 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 celebration. This is my 100,000 celebration that will be held in Kabayan in Dubai, my Facebook page. So guys, that's why you are invited on this coming July 29, 2 p.m. Dubai time, 1:30 p.m. India time, and 4 p.m. Bangladesh time, and 6 p.m. in the Philippines time. So everybody are invited. Yes, of course. This and guys, everyone are invited on this event. So guys, your presence is very valuable to me. If you are coming, I'm so happy.
Yes, of course.
So guys,
yes, guys.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
You are be part of my success. That's why I achieved now 100,000 followers. And so guys, what you are waiting for? So if you are free and available on that time, so you are invited on this event. So guys, yes, thank you so much. So
Ami
to
Mother
Subaiki,
unik-unik,
Balubashi,
balubashi,
Donubad. Yala guys, tada!